Hi everyone, I'm Helena Patience from Entreflow Consulting Group. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you see, please subscribe so that you can get more of our awesome tips and tricks. So we do these Appy Hours once a week. What we're going to do is basically review one of our favorite apps or one that we've just learned about, share with you what we like, what we don't like, what we'd like to see, who's best suited for, and then our overall ratings. This week is one of my favorite apps, and it's called Fathom. And it's probably not a surprise to many of you that this is one of my favorite apps, given that I used to be a financial analyst. So I absolutely love this app, and it's one of those apps that I can safely say is suitable for absolutely every business and business owner. To begin, I'm going to start off with the Kickass feature. So the Kickass feature in this app is really one that they don't talk too much about in the demos, and one that most people probably glance over really quickly, but it's the sensitivity analysis. Within the app, you can do what-if analysis to see, if we grow our sales by this much, what does that mean to our net income? If we change our mix by this much, what does that mean for our net income? And there's a whole bunch of different things you can look at, but it's literally toggling a little bar around, and it gives you a really clear indicator of how you would do. Super cool. And for any of you who've done sensitivity analysis in Excel before, it takes way more time and it doesn't look as cool. So I love this one. Top features. So it's has super easy ratio and profitability analysis. For those of you who are a little bit rusty in your ratios, explains what those are and also has the definitions for your clients too, so that if you forget, it's there for you. It has beautiful financial statements, and you have the ability to insert text to provide any guidance or recommendations or ask any questions in the reports. And then you can also schedule reports to be emailed out to certain users throughout the month, which is super awesome. And then within the app itself, if you're sitting there with a client using the app, you can actually see animation occur to show you a bigger picture of what's going on. And you can click on certain aspects to drill down and get more information, which is just amazing given the amount of work that I used to spend to do this in Excel before. Okay, requested features. So we always want more. What I would like to be able to see right now, you can connect it to QuickBooks. You can connect it to QuickBooks Online, to QuickBooks Desktop, to Xero. You can also do a CSV upload for your financial data. I would love to be able to bring in data, non-financial data, and data from other sources. So your Google Analytics, your CRM information, your ERP, your Facebook Analytics. So either native connections there, or at least be able to connect data to a Google Sheet, so that on the non-financial KPIs, key performance indicators side of things, you can pull that data in super easily and get a bigger picture without having to manually enter that in. For suitability, like I said, I think this is something that would be awesome for everybody who's got a business and wants to know how they're doing. It's just so easy to use, it's so beautiful, and it tells the story of what's going on in your business so quickly. It's kind of a no-brainer. For the monthly cost, so it starts at $39 per month. That might seem really high for a software subscription, but the value that you get out of this and the time savings from on the reporting side, it pays for itself many times over. Totally worth it. The implementation rating is easy peasy. You just have to, connect your data source, and then do a bit of mapping on the accounts, and then set your targets. Super easy. And then the usability rating is it passes the grandma test. It really is super easy. Anyone who's any way financially phobic would be able to find what they need to in here. So that's our review for Fathom, and check them out if you haven't yet. And like I said, subscribe if you like what you saw, and also use the comments section below if you have any further details you'd like to share. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Helena Patience from Entreflow Consulting Group.